There is growing concern in Colorado over rising COVID-19 numbers. Governor Polis, along with state health leaders, want to cut off the increase before we're back to the point of emergency. Bill Folsom is looking into the numbers.
COVID is on the rise across the country. Red shows where numbers are increasing the most.
Colorado, like many states, is certainly seeing a pretty dramatic increase in cases.
Colorado's not the worst, but trends need to be stopped.
Overall in Colorado, the last couple of weeks, we've seen about a 30% week-over-week increase. So we certainly are seeing a pretty rapid increase in cases in the state at this point.
With the highly contagious Delta variant surging across much of the nation, even our 70% vaccination rate among those eligible is not enough.
Denver Mayor Michael Hancock is taking a hard line, a get vaccinated or lose your job rule for Denver public employees.
Mandating that all city employees, as well as private sector workers in high-risk settings, be required to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19.
And I certainly applaud these efforts.
Colorado Governor Jared Polis is fine with the Denver decision, but for state employees, he's sticking with the CDC guidelines. Get vaccinated or do twice-a-week COVID testing.
With the Delta variant spreading rapidly, there's a new sense of urgency around vaccination.
Over 90% of the new COVID cases in Colorado are the Delta variant. The unvaccinated account for most of the cases.
An epidemic of the unvaccinated.
Leaders in other cities like Colorado Springs don't have plans to follow Denver's mandates anytime soon. They also recognize the message from current data and strongly encourage everyone to get vaccinated. Watching out for you, Southern Colorado, Bill Folsom, News 5.
Kaiser Permanente will require COVID-19 vaccinations for all of its employees and physicians, joining at least 3 other healthcare systems in Colorado, including UC Health, mandating COVID-19 vaccines. The company has set September 30th as the target date to have every employee and physician fully vaccinated. Now, for some context, that's about 7,200 Coloradans, about 1,200 of which are physicians. Those who choose not to get vaccinated will be able to apply for a medical or religious exemption.